Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. You know okay?
You need to educate me.
Obi Kwankwaso.
Okay.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Obi Kwankwaso.
Okay.
I think it's
Distinguished
We'll
sir.
fight it out. Obi Kwankwaso.
So, okay.
Distinguished sir.
So see, Kwankwasia is not a party.
okay.
It's a movement.
All right.
Like obedience. Yeah, it's a movement, not a party. You understand? And Kwankwasia is the strongest movement in this country. We have the largest movement in the country. Obedience is a very large movement too. So it's okay. This signifies Kwankwasia. This is ADC. I have not yet declared anyway. I'm waiting for tomorrow. If tomorrow the decision in the court is, no, you can't have this ADC, this boy, but financing is going to have it, so be it. We will go to another party. And that's what I will declare in the Senate.
Okay.
But if tomorrow's verdict is that, look, David Mark is in charge, then you hear me after tomorrow declaring for ADC.
Okay.
I just removed the other parties' plan. Somebody donated this to me, and I decided to put it here because it was my possible change, my possible party. But this one, Kwankwasia, is a movement, no matter where I was. I have been in MMP, but I was using this. I came to Senate under another party, but I'm Kwankwasia.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Distinguished sir.
So you don't want him to know. Can you just give a...
We are hiding our things. People are suffering. People are crying. There's hunger. There's poverty. No employment. There are so many people on the streets. You understand? The insecurity is too much. It's scandalous that 100 and some people will be abducted at the same time, like animals, and they are nowhere to be traced. You understand? It's shameful. It's shameful for 100 and some people to be kidnapped at the same time. People, 100 and something. You understand? Just imagine it. So these are the things. They are scandalous, they are terrible, they are unfortunate. You understand? So these are the many things that are happening in the country. And my disappointment personally is that this somebody who was very unique when he went to Lagos. He very well in Lagos. We were hopeful that when he comes to Nigeria will be different. Because Buhari underperformed. So when he came, we thought, this is a savior. But unfortunately, we are wrong.
Sir,
Distinguished sir. Sorry.
sir, there is a
Sorry,
lot
excuse
of,
me. Wait. Let's be. Excuse me,
Okay.
sir. Distinguished. It seems the opposition is weak.
Of course.
The